Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use solid combine. Today CATIA lecture 29 is discussed here. Today CATIA lecture 29 is discussed here, and today command is a solid combine in use a CATIA. Okay, this is also a solid command in very important use in CATIA, and today discuss here solid combine in use in CATIA. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and we will see here. You can see here all command is some is active and some is not active, but at first drawing a 2D sketch, and then all point is and 3D command is active. Okay, and today discuss here a solid combine. This 3D command is use today, and discuss. Okay, today discuss here a solid combine. Okay, at first select any two plane is used. Solid combine is used at first a two plane, any two plane is used, and then at first select a first is top plane and a sketch. Any geometry is drawing here, any 2D tools is drawing. Okay, at first select a plane, at first select a circle is drawing. Okay, and exit. Okay, and this next plane is used. This is a YZ plane. Okay, this is a this plane is a YZ plane, and this plane is a ZX plane. Okay, and at first select a ZX plane. Okay, and drawing a rectangle. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a hexagon is nice. This point is a correct. Okay, and exit, and this is a point is active, and select a solid combine and sketch a. This is a combined definition. First component and second component is a first is profile. Select a any profile, this profile, and second profile is a this profile. Okay, this is a any preview is showing here. Okay, this preview is showing. Okay, this point is okay. Okay, any 2 point is used solid combine. Okay, this all 3D command is active here, and today discuss here a solid combine. Okay, any two geometry is drawing here, any two sketching, any two plane and two sketching, and then use a any kind of drawing. Okay, this is a correct, and this plane is a sketch point not use, but this plane is okay, and select a any. Okay, this point is a pocket, and pocket is a next up to last, and this is a both side. Okay, this point is a definition is dimension, and this plane is this plane, and also this is this preview is showing here and correct. Okay, this is a okay this, and also you can see here this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and mention any color is a today drawing a okay undo okay some okay this is a correct, and this is a okay, and again this plane is used. Okay, this plane is use a okay, and draw a circle and sketch. Pocket is used, and this is a this point, and this is a this okay, this preview is showing this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and color is separate color is used, and first is a pocket, first is combine, and this is a colorful color is a pink. Okay, and next is a pocket color is a this color is okay, this color is nice. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, and this plane is also select here. Okay, and any draw any okay, not good. Okay, this face is not correct. Okay, okay, today is very important, and drawing a solid combine. Okay, 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 okay guys, CATIA lecture 30 is coming soon, and next lecture is coming soon, and today discuss here solid combine command in use in CATIA. Okay, and okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.